What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something huge for you guys. Brand new Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest codes in June 2026. A massive huge giveaway giving away gems to everyone. 5,000 gems to subscribe my channel. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'm dropping all the working codes you don't want to miss. Today I'm show you all working codes in Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest in June 2026. Everyone like this video and subscribe my channel. So everyone, I'm massive huge giveaway giving away 5,000 gems. So please subscribe my channel to make sure watch full video without skipping. Comment your username below. So everyone make sure watch full video without skipping. I'm show you brand new active code in Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest right now. New working codes. Free rewards and boosts. June 2026 updated codes. Easy redeem tutorial. Everyone make sure watch full video without skipping, because I'm massive huge giveaway to everyone. Please subscribe my channel and comment section type your username below to give away 5,000 gems to everyone. Ok, now I'm show you all brand new working code step by step. So watch full video without skip. WHO's going to ahead and like the video right now. So I just want to wish everyone a nice day. May the good Lord protect and bless you all. Okay, let's start the video and enjoy brand new codes. Okay, now I'm show you brand new working codes in Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest right now.